We're making a start with one of our top headline stories. An alleged cow smuggler was lynched by a mob while his 4 partners were arrested by the police with the help of locals after nearly 4 hours of chase in the forest in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. The victim was a 28-year-old man named Noman, who was found inside a truck at Sarasan village and rushed to a hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Noman was a resident of Rampur village of Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Cops have registered a case of murder.
Close on the heels of the lynching incident in Dadri, here comes another incident, this time in Sirmaur in Himachal Pradesh. A few persons, a mob really has lynched one person who they thought was involved in the smuggling and slaughter of cows and other cattle. The police have registered a case of murder, but no arrests have been made in the case so far because police say they will need to identify the mob. The police have arrested the 4 persons who were accused of smuggling. The police, they are in custody, but they will need to identify the mob who were involved in alleged lynching of this person called Noman, who belongs to Saharanpur of Uttar Pradesh.
जो काउ स्लॉटर करने वाला जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, जो ये तस्करी करके ले जा रहे थे, उसमें हमने जो है काउ स्लॉटर एक्ट के तहत मुकदमा दर्ज किया है और जो जिसमें इस युवक की मृत्यु हुई है जो कि इसी तस्कर ग्रुप में था, उसमें हमने उसके रिश्तेदार के बयान पर 302 यानी मर्डर का मुकदमा दर्ज किया है और इस पे जो है ये जो मुकदमा है ये अननोन लोगों के खिलाफ है, यानी जो कि अज्ञात व्यक्ति हैं, इसलिए हम इनकी तलाश अभी जारी रख रहे हैं.
Well, we have a correspondent Arvind Chabra joining us from the ground in Sirmaur district. Well, Arvind, another Dadri-like case has taken place in Himachal. Tell us more about what exactly happened there.
It comes close on the heels of what really happened in Dadri, although there are a few differences in this case. There are 2 cases that have been registered by the police here. One, of course, is the cow slaughter, the cruelty of animals, in which 4 persons have been arrested. But the more important, perhaps, is the murder, which has been registered against unidentified persons. Police say they are not been able to identify because the people who were involved, people who saw the mob kill these people, they were not the locals. So they will need the help of these people to identify the mob. So far the case has been registered against unidentified persons and it will need identification from these people to be able to nail the accused in the murder case. Obviously no arrests have been made in the case, but the situation is a bit tense here. Although police say the things are pretty much under control, but still police are not taking any chances, and police have still calmed off the area so that nothing untoward happens here.
But hours later, there seems to be no arrest made in this case so far. As you're rightly pointing out, the situation seems to be very tense right now.
That's right. Although the police are saying that there is sufficient evidence to prove that the accused were involved in slaughter of animals, they were definitely taking away the cattle from there, which is why the mob got irate there. Although this is no justification, because this is the job of the police, of the investigating agencies, of the enforcement agencies. They cannot take law into their hands, and that's what the mob seems to have done. The police are not able to identify anyone, which is very important for the case to move forward.
We'll leave it there, Arvind. Thank you so much for getting us all the details.